Alright guys, this will be part 2 of our farm/equipment tour, so hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so as we walk into the oldest barn here, this barn was the first one that we built. The bedding pack is right here, and we put an extension, or we extended it. Sorry for the bad lighting, but we extended it because we got the robots over there. Milk cows, and these are dry cows. So dry cows means that it's that they're like on their 2-month sabbatical, on a vacation kind of, because they're gonna give birth and depends on when they were put in. But we have different feed for the dry cows than for the milk cows. That's where the milk line runs through, and all the wires for the robots. So these are the youngest cows, and these are like this barn here is kind of like the little bit older cows, and then the new barn way over there is the oldest cows. This is our biggest barn. This is the second barn that we built. It's a hoop barn, so the roof is made out of pretty strong plastic. So currently it's cleaning the teats up. These pipes right here, there's a feed that comes through, kind of like candy for the cows. There's molasses in there, in that bucket right there. But it's an AMS Galaxy robot. We really like these because you can manually attach them. We got them about 3 years ago. But but it like to manually, oh wait, now it's putting on the milkers. But to manually attach them, like if the cow's teats are like crossed over, then we can go in and like manually attach them ourselves. That's one of the reasons we bought these robots. And we also have a dealer nearby, which is kind of nice, about half an hour away. Now it's cleaning the prep cup. Now this one's gonna attach. And another reason we bought these robots is because you can milk 2 cows at a time. So the robot attaches this side, and this side can already be milking. I don't know if you can see that, but you can kind of see the white in those hoses there. That's where the milk is going through. And then it goes up that silver pipe and to the milk tank. So this screen right here, you can, like right here, this is box 5 and 6. So 2019 is in there, and 2292 is in there, and 2292, which is right there, is given, he's expected to give 22 pounds of milk and Currently, he's had 5 pounds of milk. Right here, you can see the cows that need to go in the robot. And there's some more information in there. And if you want to manually attach the cow, you just flip this switch up, and then the robot will go into his home position, and we can attach it. Light. Alright, so this is what the inside of the robot looks like. There's a lot of air tubes. That's how it's controlled. Oh, and here's where the milk is going through. You can't quite see that, but there's milk right there. Yeah, so it goes from there to there, and then into here, I'm pretty sure. Pretty complicated. I don't even know how it works. My uncle's a mechanic on the farm. So as we walk through this hallway, this is where my dad trims the cow hooves. And this is just a whole bunch of extra stuff from like when we put the robots in. We had to take a whole bunch of stuff out so it could make space for the robots. So yeah, there's some extra fans and stuff like that. And this is where we come into the new barn. The new barn is the newest barn. I think it's everyone's favorite barn because it's always the warmest in the winter and the coolest in the summer. Here is our Gale V330, or yeah, 330. It has a 74 horsepower. It's a 2016. We like the skid loader. Might need some new treading a little bit. And this here is our, it pushes up the feed. So you pretty much put the edge of this tire against the feed. You start driving and that turns around with it. Pushes up the field real nice. We had it custom made at plain field welding. But anyways, here's the robot in group 1, group 2. So these are both milking groups. This right here is a dry cow group, and this here also. So they stay here for a couple weeks before they go to the dry cow pen. The ceiling is insulated, so that's one of the reasons it stays warm. And then in the summer, oh, and it also stores heat in the roof. So in the winter when it gets really cold, that comes down and then heat comes down. Then in the summer we put these what do you call them, just tarps down so it blocks the wind that comes from those fans in the back. We only have a couple of them running right now because it's so it's pretty cold outside. I already showed you guys the manure scraper a couple videos ago. Okay, so back here, this is our sand pile, and then the sand settling lane is over here. Here's our hoop barn, and right over there are our 2 silos where we put like the candy in from the cows. I like to call it that because that's one of the main reasons why the cows go in. And you can see the little pipes there, I'm pretty sure. That runs it to the robots. But over here, oh, and this is where the pipe collapsed. But anyways, here's the sand settling lane. So the manure that comes from the barn, it comes out through here. And then there's a whole bunch of sand in there because we use sand for bedding. But you can see, like, there's a little line there. That's just some sand. But anyways, as the poop river goes along, goes right there and right along there, the sand slowly settles. And then every morning we can come in with the skid loader, take all the sand out, we'll dump it right here, and we have some more space right over there, that empty space, and then that fresh stuff over there. We put that down there, let it dry for like a week or so, then we move it to another pile, and then let it dry a little bit more. And then right here, it gets pumped over to the manure pits. We really like this system. It's pretty cheap, but we do need a longer sand settling lane because it doesn't give the sand enough time to settle. But that all costs money, so maybe sometime in the future that might happen. But there goes the manure scraper. Makes it nice and clean. This is the holding pen for the cows. They when they go in, it opens just like that, but it can't go backwards. So if the cows go in, like that cow can't go out here, has to go through the robot and get milked. And then, yeah, right here, this cow goes through here, and the cow on the other side, the cow over here, this gate opens, cow just goes right through here. As we walk from the new barn, we come into the office slash break room slash parts room. We walk this way, got a bathroom at the end. This is the break room, got a table there, and here we got a whole bunch of parts for the robots, like beakers, cylinders, everything. And then we walk over here, and we got the office. We got security cameras, all the cow information. We got printer, computer, air conditioning for the summer. This pretty much just runs all the robots, so if this breaks, then none of the robots are gonna work. Room and office and stuff is right through that door. We got our boot cleaning station right over here, and this is the shop. It's kind of a mess right now because we have a whole bunch of stuff for the house and garage. We got like screws and all that. Workbench, it's kind of a mess right now. Everything is. Old skid loader, more parts, American flag. Here's our gator. And floor heat right over there. Big door. So yeah, that's pretty much the shop. So as we walk from the shop, we walk into the equipment room. It's kind of loud in here, but this is all like the chemicals that we use for the cows. Some of this is to clean the hooves. Some of this is like to clean up the udder. Got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Water heaters, pasteurizer, milk for the just born calves, refrigerator for the milk that we get from the cows, well, some of it. And then, yeah, here's the water pump, dry cow pen, and then washer. And then we walk from here to here. This is our milk tank. It goes from here to here. I'm pretty sure that it is like 1,600 gallon. And then so when this milk tank is washing, all the milk goes into this tank, and then when this is done washing, it takes the milk from there and goes into there. Here we have the filters for the milk, 2 of them, well, yeah, and then the milk cooler, I forget what that's for. Here we have bottles for the calves, more here, yeah, the nipples, and here we have it's also for the robots. Yeah, and then we have some hoses. Got the work truck, farm truck. If anyone here is new to my channel, my name is Ian, and I started, actually, it's almost been a year, and in a week or so, I've been making YouTube videos for a year. We live in Waverly, Iowa. We only own 24 acres of land, but a local farmer grows all the crops for us, and then we have someone come and chop it. So this year we chopped 200 acres of land, or 200 acres of alfalfa, and 350 acres of corn. And you guys saw the piles in the back there. But anyways, thank you guys all for watching. Hope you guys know the farm a little bit better after this video, because I haven't done too much with the cows and stuff like that, but it's seasonal work. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope to see you in the next one.